Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll take a look at top 3 biggest losers in top 100 tokens. So basically what I'm doing in this video, I just use this filter to check out which are the last biggest loser in the last 30 days. So now it got me the BONK SPX 6900 and we have Pepe. So the one thing that I noticed is that all of these are the meme tokens and these are the biggest loser. So I thought why not cover only these three. We also have Dodge and Shiba, but I will only be looking at BONK SPX 6900 and Pepe in this video. But if you're wondering what this was, this is basically a meme core token that I covered yesterday, and I did not expect it to break out so soon, but it seems like that it actually ended up breaking out from 36 cent and now it's going up. So this is I covered this one yesterday when the price was somewhere around 36 cent. Anyways, today we are talking about the BONK SPX 6900 and Pepe. So let's start with Pepe, of course, which would be the first and the biggest one. So as of now, the Pepe has been going down, so like it did not perform that well in this earth season. It had a really good, and the 2024 was really good for the Pepe, but again, as of now 2025 has not been that much good for the Pepe, as well as I would say other big meme tokens. But overall, from what I can see, the Pepe seems to be following this trend line most of the time. So this is a trend line that Pepe usually follows, and as of now it seems like that it is a perfect opportunity to get into the Pepe if you're interested on it, because if we look at the demand zone, as of now the Pepe does have a really good demand zone like around here. So I think what I'm expecting from the Pepe as of now, like from 10 to 9, around 100, like 136, or it's like 1036 to 977. I think that is a pretty good entry point for the Pepe, and I am expecting a rebound from here, if that makes sense. And I think it can actually do a rebound, because as of now, if you look at the Bitcoin, it seems to be holding really well. So I think it can, or it may give a space for other tokens to go up. So as of now, sorry about that, I'm looking at Pepe, and I think there's a pretty good possibility that the Pepe could actually see a pretty good rebound from here. So even if it goes up, let's say that it sees a pretty good surge, and I think again, even if it goes up, I think it can go like as high as 1267. After that it will most likely see a pretty big rejection, because this trend line seems to be really strong. But if it breaks above this trend line, I think it can go really high, because I think if it breaks from this trend line, there will most likely be a lot of traders waiting to trade the opportunity. So as of now, I think the Pepe will most likely have a pretty good rebound as of now, and after that it may reject around here or it may not. But again, if it does go down below 97.7, I think we could be looking at a retest of around like this level, which I think may not be possible unless BTC goes like as low as 110 or even like 105. If BTC continues to hold the way it is doing as of now, at least I think there is a pretty good chance that Pepe won't even go as low as 92 or like even 83 as well. But as of now, I think it's looking good for the Pepe. I'm expecting a rebound. Let's see what happens. Now moving on to the BONK. So again, this is another big meme token, but it is in the Solana ecosystem. So this is when I covered meme tokens on the Solana. This analysis I did when I did cover BONK in that video. Now BONK overall has been really interesting, because it has done really well as you can see in this season, like it actually ended up hitting a new all-time high around 41, as you can see here. Now this was a massive new all-time high, and this happened because of the BONK fund, you can say, like pump.fund, and they also have now their own exchange as well, where a lot of trading is happening. But their platform, like Let's BONK, did take off really well, and it actually ended up benefiting BONK. And I think there was also some buyback happening or something like that, and that ended up pushing the BONK higher. So now this is just a typical, I would say, correction in the market. Now if it continues to go down the way it is doing as of now, I'm expecting a rebound somewhere around here, like around 21 to like 19, because that is a pretty good entry. So as of now we are in a pretty good demand zone area, so if it wants to go up, this is the most likely point that it will, or it could go up from here. So again, it can go like as low as 1977 or even 20 the possibility, but again I think we can expect a pretty good rebound from this zone as well, because whenever it goes in the past, whenever it actually went here, it actually ended up seeing a massive price jump as well, and it does have a pretty good resistance. So even if it goes up, I'm expecting a pretty good pullback from like 24.36 as well, because that seems to be the pretty strong resistance as well. Overall, unlike Pepe, BONK seems to be following this trend line. So if it goes up, I think it may actually see a massive crash as well. So basically, if it goes up like as of now, I think we can expect a pretty good demand zone somewhere around 14 or something like that, because that is the trend line that it has been following in the long term. Basically, even if you look here, this is April 2025. It actually ended up hitting the all-time high. After that, it correcting on this exact trend line, and after that it actually ended up hitting the all-time high. So as of now, what I'm expecting, at least for, I would say, for if the market continues to perform the way it is doing, and if the BTC does go down, I'm expecting a retest somewhere around this trend line. So like if it continues to go down, I think it can go as low as 13 or even like 14. If that happens, I think it will most likely hit a new all-time high. At least that is what the history says. Anyways, let's see what happens. Now moving on to the biggest winner, or the biggest meme token of 2025, I would say, which is SPX. So SPX has done really well. As you can see, it is started to take off basically from September of 2024. It actually ended up hitting like new all-time high back in January of 2025, like at it was somewhere around 1.76, and again back in July it actually ended up hitting a new all-time high, like in August or in July it actually ended up hitting like $2.62, which is again a new all-time high. But the token has been really volatile, as you can see. Now recently it did broke this trend, which I would say is the reason why the token has tanked a lot. So after going below this trend line, which was a really strong one, as you can see here, it has started to go down. So as of now, if it doesn't bounce back from this trend line, like if it doesn't go above like 1.52, I think we can expect a pretty good, I would say, we can expect a pretty good correction from SPX. So as of now, I would be like looking at this level, which I would say seems to be the pretty good entry point for the token as well. If you're interested, like around 1.08 to 93 cent, if it continues to go down the way it is doing as of now. But I think if it doesn't go above from this trend line, we could be expecting a pretty good pullback, like at as low as 1.08 or even 93 cent. But the token itself is, I would say, a really strong meme token. So if the market starts to go up, or if the BTC starts to go up, you can also expect a pretty good recovery as well. So it can also like just go up from here and break out from like $1.7, and it can basically go for the new all-time high as well. But again, this new all-time high like around 2.26 has triggered this momentum towards downtrend as well. So as of now, even if it goes up, I'm expecting a rejection like somewhere around 1.75 or even like 1.7 or even 1.67 or even like 1.58 if it continues to trade the way it is doing as of now. So let's see what happens. But as of now, I would say it is not looking that much good for SPX, and it seems like that there is like a lot of selling happening, since it did actually end up hitting new all-time high. So I think I think there's a pretty good reason that it can go up from like 1.08 to 93 cents, because that is the level where whoever missed the token here because there will be many traders who basically miss the token around this level. And I think if it goes in this exact pause, we may see a lot of buying for this token as well. Anyways, let's see what happens. This was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.